3,000 feet. Expect ILS Yankee runway 0 tree left approach via Echo Golf November transition. Cleared to Echo Golf November. Aegean 01 tree heavy, descend and maintain 5,000 feet.
Descend and maintain 5,000 feet Aegean 01 tree heavy.
Descend and maintain 3,000 feet. Expect ILS Yankee runway 0 tree left approach via Echo Golf November transition. Cleared to Echo Golf November generic 720. One tree 0.025 for generic 720. Descend and maintain 3,000 feet. Expect ILS Yankee runway 0 tree left approach via Echo Golf November transition. Cleared to Echo Golf November.
Descend and maintain 3,000 feet. Expect ILS Yankee runway 0 tree left approach via Echo Golf November transition. Cleared to Echo Golf November Aegean 01 tree heavy. Aegean 01 tree heavy, contact Athens Center on 135.875. Good day. 135.875 for Aegean 01 tree heavy. Athens Center Aegean 01 tree heavy is at 6,600 feet, descending 3,000 feet.
Scandinavian 777, contact approach on 126.575. Good day. Air Canada 8906, contact approach on 132.975. Good day. Aegean 01 tree heavy, Athens Center QNH 29.87, continue to Echo Golf November as planned. Easy 65, 9er, you are tree 0 miles northwest. Climb and maintain 6,100 feet, expect ILS Yankee runway 0 tree, left approach via Echo Golf November transition. Cleared to Echo Golf November. 132.975 for Air Canada 8906. Going to 126.575, Scandinavian 777. Aegean 971, you are 50 miles west. Descend and maintain 3,000 feet. Expect ILS Yankee runway 0 tree left approach via Echo Golf November transition. Cleared to Echo Golf November. Descend and maintain 3,000 feet. Expect ILS Yankee runway 0 tree left approach via Echo Golf November transition. Cleared to Echo Golf November Easy 659er. Easy 659er, contact approach on 121.4. Good day. Descend Descend and maintain 3,000 feet. Expect ILS Yankee runway 0 tree left approach via Echo Golf November transition. Cleared to Echo Golf November AG and Niner 71. 121.4 easy 6599er. AGN 01 tree, heavy contact, approach on 128.905. Good day.
128.905 AGN 01 tree heavy. Approach AGN 01 tree heavy 3,000 feet.
AGN 01 tree heavy, approach QNH 29.89er, continue to Echo Golf November as planned. AGN 01 tree heavy, you are 15 miles southwest of Eleftherios, Venizelos. Contact tower on 122.1 when inbound on the approach.
Tower on 122.1 AGN 01 tree heavy. Tower AGN 01 tree heavy 14 miles southwest inbound ILS Yankee runway 0 tree left approach.
AGN 01 tree heavy tower. QNH 29.88 wind tree 55 at 17. Cleared ILS Yankee runway 0 tree left approach. Speedbird 6 tree 8 heavy exit runway when able.
Tower AGN 01 tree heavy inbound ILS Yankee runway 0 tree left approach.
AGN 01 tree heavy tower. QNH 29.88 wind tree 55 at 17. Cleared ILS Yankee runway 0 tree left approach. Scandinavian 777, follow the Airbus A320 on the runway. Wind tree 55 at 17. Cleared to land runway 0 tree left. Speedbird 638 heavy contact ground on 121.755.
Cleared ILS Yankee runway 0 tree, left approach AGN 01 tree heavy.
Cleared to land runway 0 tree, left, Scandinavian 777. Tower Easy 659er 15 miles southwest, inbound, ILS Yankee runway 0 tree, left approach. Easy 659er Tower. QNH 29er.88, wind tree 55 at 17. Cleared ILS Yankee runway 0 tree, left approach. Cleared ILS Yankee runway 0 tree, left approach Easy 659er. Air Canada 896, follow the aircraft on short final. Wind tree 55 at 17. Cleared to land runway 0 tree, left. Cleared to land runway 0 tree, left, Air Canada 896. Scandinavian 777, turn next taxiway. Tower Eurowing 68210 miles southwest, inbound, ILS Yankee runway 0 tree, left approach. Eurowing 682 Tower. QNH 29er.88, wind tree 55 at 17. Cleared ILS Yankee runway 0 tree, left approach. AGN 01 tree heavy number 2 for landing. Follow the generic on final. Wind tree 55 at 17. Cleared to land runway 0 tree, left.
Cleared to land runway 0 tree, left number 2 AGN 01 tree heavy.
Cleared ILS Yankee runway 0 tree, left approach Eurowing 682.
1000.
121.755 for Speedbird 638 heavy. Air Canada 896, turn next taxiway.
400.
Easy 659er number 2 for landing. Follow the Airbus A320 on final. Wind tree 55 at 17. Clear to land runway 0 tree, left. AGN 01 tree heavy, go around.
60, 50, 40, 30, 20.
Air Canada. Clear the runway. Delta 240 exit runway when able. AGN 01 tree heavy, you are not cleared to land. Clear the runway. AGN 01 tree heavy, you are not cleared to land. Clear the runway.
Ground AGN 01 tree heavy, request taxi to the gate.
AGN 01 tree heavy, taxi to gate 1 using taxiway Alpha 9er Bravo Zulu Hotel India.
Taxiing to gate 1 via taxiway Alpha 9er Bravo Zulu Hotel India AGN 01 tree heavy.
ground AGN 01 Tree Heavy. Could you please connect the jetway to the aircraft?
AGN 01 Tree Heavy, the jetway is going to be connected.